Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. In this tutorial I'll be talking about the ordered list and unordered lists in HTML. And we'll be talking about the tables also in HTML, how to create a table data and table rows in HTML. So let's start with the lists in HTML. As the name implies, we have ordered lists and unordered lists. Ordered lists are lists that are in orders. You understand? 1, 2, 3. While unordered lists are lists that are in bullet points. Let's say you have a list of tomato, pasta, groundnuts, orange, and apple. Okay, so you are asked to put this in an ordered list. So what you do is, in HTML there's a tag called list, the list tag. If you use ordinary using, if you say, okay, let's say list tag, I say tomato, and you come here, you say the list tag again, and you say apple. Okay, let's save it and refresh our page. What happens? It only displays in bullet points. It does not put them in order. You understand? So this is what we call another list. Without specifying the kind of list you want to put in the values, it just puts it in an unordered list, which is using the bullet point. But if you want it to put it in an ordered list, so instead of you typing 1, 2, 3 and inputting your details, just say ordered list is represented as OL. So under it there is a list. Then here you input tomato, you come out, say list, and you input pasta, come again, you input groundnuts, come back here, you input your orange, come out here and you input your apple. So when you save this, this is an ordered list. So what happens? It lists it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for you. But the difference here is that when you want to use unordered list, the only thing that changes here is, let me copy and paste, sorry. Then okay, the only thing that changes, let me indent, and don't forget to indent every of your code please, so as not to cause confusion. In unordered list, it is UL, not OL. So when you save this and refresh your page, you can see. So here we have it in an ordered manner, that is in series, series. While here we have it in bullet points. So you can see the difference between ordered list and unordered list. So that's just the difference there. And okay, this is just an example. Let me delete this. So that's just the difference here of ordered and unordered list. So now let's go to the table row, to how to create tables in HTML. Right? So in creating table, we have a tag also called table tag. You understand? So the header of the table, there will be a name for the header. Let's say maybe you want to say 1, 2, 3. That is, the header wants to be signature and name, first name, last name. You understand? So what you do is you say table head. TH represents table head. Let's say S/N for the table head. You come down, you say TH again. That is another table head. We are not inputting any data as yet in the rows. What we are inputting in this first rows is the table head. Sorry, under this table, you come, you say TR, that is table row. So this will be closing here. Don't forget to indent your work. Thank you. So under this second table head, what are we inputting? Let's say first name, right? Then you come here again, you say table head, right? Everything now is inside the same row. That's why there is tr here, this table row, because they are all inside the same row. I don't think you're getting me. So here, let's say you say last name, and let's come back here and say table head, let's see age. These are what you want to collect for the table head. Then that's all for this first row. Let's save this and see the outcome of this. As you can see, you see the outcome. It has a row for every of them. You can see. So now let's come back here and say, okay, inside the SN, we want to input something inside. The first name, under it they want to be a name, the last name under it they want to be a name, and the age under it they want to be a name and age also. So what you do here next is you say table row again. So now it will now be table data. I don't think you are getting me. Now it will be table data. So for every row there will be a data. Let's say here we have 1. The SN is 1, and under it the first name is which of your name can I remember? Onyekosade, right? Okay. For that, then you come here, you say the table data again. Then the last name is, let's see, Victoria. Okay, you come back here, and the age, you say table data again. Then what will be the age? Let's pick an age. Okay, table data. Here, let's say 25. Let's save this and come back to our browser. As you can see, it aligns it under each. So when you have multiple inputs, what you do is just, let me bring this up. What you do is just you come back here, paste, paste, paste. Then you just change the data. Let's say this is Emmanuel. Okay, thank you. Let's say this is Emmanuel. After letter E, sorry. Let's say this is John, and this should be 2, and here should be 3. Sorry, okay. So let's say this is Jacob Johnson, right? Let's say the age is 26. Okay, you come here, see this is 4. Let's say this is Ibrahim, and this is Sulaiman. Is age of 14, and the table data 5. Come here, you see, let's say this is Lukman, and this Christiana, and this is 27 years of age. Now you save this. When you refresh it inputs. As you can see, it aligns everything. Now we are only talking about HTML. We are not touching CSS yet. So this is how to make use of the list and tables in HTML. So let's come back here. As I told you, I said anything you input in the body will display on the web. You can see there's no tag for these tables in HTML. We never put any tag there, but it displays in the web. Why? Because anything in the body, anything at all you are putting in the body, displays in the web. Are you getting it? So thank you very much. I think that's the end of today's class. See you in the next class.